Hi, welcome back once again. We heard about physical body, what we see from our naked eyes, and we have learned to nourish it, decorate it, fulfill its needs and everything. And today we are going to talk about the bodies we actually have in our bodies that need to be sustained, that needs to be nourished, those needs to be aware of, and those has to be nourished in the way that we feel more complete and more satisfied and equipped with the knowledge, with the stamina, the energies and the power beyond the physical. It is a known fact that we are not physical bodies and we are the souls. Simultaneously, there is a 5 bodies within what we actually live inside. One is the physical body that we see from our eyes and we nourish it through food, clothing, shelter. Then we are also aware of the mental mind, fine, that we nourish it with the knowledge that also needs to be equipped and engaged, otherwise it feels detached and incomplete. The knowledge is the power, that is the food for the mind. So, we just did 2 levels, that is physical level, the mental level. Then there is another level we live at, that is the emotional level, that is the love part. The heart needs to be nourished. The nourishment for the heart is love. Just the way the physical body has to be nourished with good food, healthy food. We are all aware of the junk food and the healthy food. Thoughts we are already working on, that is the creative, to able to create good thoughts so that it gets the chemicals that are being secreted in our brain goes well in the body and makes us healthy, keeps us healthy. Similarly is the matter of the emotional part, that is the heart part. What kind of emotions do we have in our heart? Heart emotions are very important, that is how the world and the frequencies we talk about, the vibrations we do, all depends upon. We vibrate at high level or we vibrate at low level, depends upon this body. Emotional body, that is the heart, love, freedom, joy, acceptance, gratitude. This is the feeding of the heart that makes it feel complete and nourished. A feeling of anxiety, jealousy, fear, phobias, all negative aspects, might be anything. There is all aware of so many things and our body responds to it. Our energies tell us what is making us comfortable and what is not making us comfortable. The emotions that make us comfortable keep us at high energies, high vibrations, and high vibrational things match to the frequency of the universe, and we tend to attract things accordingly at what frequency we are vibrating at. So, this is how our heart or the emotional body is nourished. The 4th level is the spiritual body. Sorry, not the spiritual body is the 5th body. 4th body is the pranic body, that is the energy body. Energy body is the energy circles, that is the immunity of our body, of our energies. One is immunity lies within us, that we have an immune system to fight away the diseases, and one is the energy body, that is the immunity of our vibrations, that is we tend to feel what kind of energies are attacking us. Like when we meet some people, we feel good before even meeting somebody, and at times without even meeting, just somebody passes by and we feel not good about the kind of a person. What was happening? The energies were clashing. The energies were responding to each other. So that is the energy body, and energy body is the stimulus that makes us aware of any kind of diseases that we are attacking to. Any kind of problem that first it works is comes and attacks us is through the energy body. First energies get lowered, it is then the emotions get hurt, then the mental we get suppressed, and then actually we tend to hurt the physical, the disease come into the physical level. Disease is what? Uneasiness, not being easy is disease. So once we are feeling the diseasiness on the energy level, then we have that diseasiness on the emotional level, feel that, and once we are emotionally upset, then it tends to be the physical level, mental level, and once we are mentally upset, then that uneasiness within the mind releases some chemicals into the mind that makes us physically ill and we are physically diseased. And the fifth level we are living on is the spiritual level, the highest level. That is the real actualization and the real goal of a human being or being human. That makes us different from the being human and animals. What is the difference between humans and animals? They also live, they eat, they need shelter. Yes, they sleep. They have their minds also. If you just go through them, yes, they can be taught away. The only difference makes them is that we have a choice to live the way we want. We can create our lives the way we want and be one with the universe, to be connected with ourselves. That is the criteria of human and the asset we have, the basic intent of the whole life, that is the goal of human being. So we talked about the 5 levels we are living on, that is the physical level, mental, emotional, energy level and the spiritual level. All the 5 levels of the body needs to be nourished. That makes us powerful and feel good about the situations and situations about ourselves. So that's really beautiful one. The awareness of having such bodies within us makes us feel different and happy and more contented within ourselves. So just be contented, be aware of yourself. We are the souls on our journey. So enjoy the journey, knowing that life is beyond what is we see from the naked eyes. Just love being yourself. God bless you. Alka Gurudata, Sunshine Freedom.